combination of input and output devices. Many devices combine input and output capabilities. Common combination devices include fax machines, multifunctional devices, internet telephones, and terminals. Fax machines. Fax machines are devices used for sending and receiving images over telephone lines. Today, computers have the capability of a fax machine by the simple addition of a fax motherboard. The motherboard, which is also known as system board, controls communications for the entire computer system. It has the standard circuitry that is needed for the computer and has slots that enable you to plug in other input and output devices. Every component of the system unit connects to the system board. It acts as a data path, allowing the various components to communicate with one another. External devices like the keyboard, mouse and monitor also communicate with the system unit using the system board. On a desktop computer, the motherboard is located at the bottom or at one side of the system unit. It is a large flat circuit board covered with different electronic components including sockets, slots and bus lines.